Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. All right, I have a really fun halo makeup look for you guys, and this is such a fun look that you can really do any time of the year. You can even change up the colors a little bit. So if you would like to keep watching, stick around with me and don't go anywhere. And if you do enjoy this video, be sure to hit the like button, and if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. All right, so now that my face is all nice and prepped, got my eyelids nice and primed, I'm going to go ahead and start with the colors. So I started with a really nice light brown shade, and then I just intensified with a medium shade until it's really nice and defined. So here we're going to start cutting that crease a little bit, but I'm going to keep it in the center, so this really will help with the halo effect for later. Once that's complete, I'm picking up a really nice, it actually is like a reddish shimmer shade, but it looks a little bit almost pink, and I just kind of piled that onto the middle, and then with a really dark matte red shadow, I'm going to begin that halo effect. So the outer third and the inner portion of my eye. Now with an even darker red shade, I'm just going to keep building and building, and then blending that into the lighter shadow on my eyelid. After blending out those edges with a clean blending brush, I'm going to use with the pad of my finger, pick up a really beautiful shimmery pink shade and hit that right in the center. Now for the lower lash line, we're going to kind of do the same steps as above. So very sloppily, I blend out that brownish shade, then I'm going to build the reds on the inner portion and the outer third of my eye, and then right there in the middle, I'm going to add that nice reddish shimmer shade, and I'm going to hit my waterline with a beautiful shimmer white pencil, and then here I'm adding some of that center shimmer shade into my inner corner. Off camera, I'm going to do a little number on these brows and then move on to my face. So adding my concealer, a little bit of under eye brightening, and then I'm going to blend it out with my finger and set it with some loose face powder. After all the contouring and blush, it's time for lashes. So today I'm going with some magnetic lashes. These ask for 3 coats of the magnetic liner, and as that last coat is drying, I just quickly went ahead and added some mascara to my top lashes and my bottom lashes. And once all of that is in place, I'm going to go ahead and set and then fan it out. And after I do my setting spray, I love to get the highlight on. So I'm going to go for the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose. I'm going to work on those cheekbones, get them all nice and shimmery, and of course, sexy time, the Cupid's bow. After that, hopping back to the magnetic lashes. So this is a really pretty good brand. I got it from the drugstore. If you don't like dealing with the glue with the lashes, magnetic lashes are definitely the way to go. I have to admit, I do love my glue on lashes, but these are doing fine for now. And yeah, so there we go. After that is done, I chose a really fun bright red lipstick for this look, and this is it. So thanks to all of my makeup lovers and curl friends for hanging out with me and checking out today's video. I hope you guys come and join me next Monday for another new video. Take care.